Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we're going over my favorite part about detailing. Just kidding, it's not my favorite part, it's actually my least favorite part, and that is cleaning glass. We have this Mazda Speed 3 in here, and right here on the window here you see we have some bird droppings, which gets on everybody's nerves, but luckily we have one product that cleans up nice and easily, and that is glass only. This is a foaming agent that you spray directly on the surface of your glass. Give it a moment for surfaces such as this that have bird droppings or tree sap to absorb it and help it safely lift off the surface. And this is safe if it gets on the paintwork because it'll simply wipe right off. And I will take a clean microfiber towel. You can use a waffle weave or standard microfiber. Now we're just going to wipe it away. And it just gently removes anything that's on the surface, leaving behind a streak-free shine there, perfect clarity. You can come back and buff off any excess. Like I mentioned, this is my least favorite part about detailing because glass is so finicky that you can see streaks, or some glass cleaners don't work very well, or maybe your microfiber towel lints, and this is something that you can't really hide or you can't really play with because it has to be done right, and the only way to do it right is having the right products. So you see you have glass only for troublesome areas like bird droppings, tree sap, some water spots, or for your standard glass cleaning, I always reach for streak free. And again, we can just spray this direct onto the surface, safe for tint, and you just take a clean microfiber towel and wipe away the excess. And we do recommend using 2 microfiber towels because this is going to make it easier and safer to clean your glass. This way you have 1 towel to pick up the product, the spent dirt and everything like that, and then 1 to buff it for a streak-free shine. But also, if you're doing an interior and exterior windows such as your windshield, or obviously all of your windows are interior, exterior, but more like your windshield or your rear window, you want to use a cross-hatching pattern, alternating directions for interior and exterior. And what I mean by that is, say if this was your windshield, you would use a side-to-side motion for, say, the outside, and then an up and down motion for the inside. This way you can see any areas that you may have missed, and also this way you get the perfect clarity, because again, like I'm saying, glass, you'll always see some kind of streak or linter from the towel, but the best way to do it is with the right tips, the right technique, and also the right product. Another area that has to be perfectly clean is your mirrors, and what I recommend doing is spraying the towel directly. This way, one, you're controlling some overspray, but also you don't need to spray the mirror because it's going to run off into the crevices, and basically this is just the safest way to do this without making a huge mess. We'll just come back and buff off any excess, but some people ask me, how do you prevent streaking, or they have light haze on their glass, and the reason being is because basically you're just using too much product, because the product doesn't have enough time to basically get buffed off or dry. So the best way to do it is just with a couple sprays and then wipe it off using a clean microfiber towel or a waffle weave towel. So to check out these products, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments down below on anything else you want to see. We'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.